Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on a Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are talking about the Ipsyplus for the month of July. I'm going to set this down. I do want to welcome anybody who is new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of July. It is the $109 Ofra Good to Go palette. Looks like this. I put these shades right here on for my highlighter for today. This is my palette. I do have a brand new one for you. Just look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It lists all of the current giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the video in its entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this one. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Natasha Denona or Go Loco palette. It's mainly the pink here with the silver here. So all the products do come in this cute little drawstring. Stay golden. Little card here says, stay golden. This month, everything you touch is turning to gold. Dust on your favorite highlight, a pat on a shimmer shadow, and let the world see you shine. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription. They have 3 different levels. They have their glam bag that comes out once a month. You do get a makeup bag with 5 deluxe size samples. Every once in a while, they will throw in a full size. Their plus, which is what this is 5 full size items for $25. That glam bag was 5 deluxe size samples, for $12. They have their X, which comes out quarterly, and that's 7 to 8 full size items for $50. I do have a code if you're interested in checking out Ipsy. It'll save you a little bit of money and helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. And so as the higher levels go on, you do get more choices. I picked out 2 eyeshadow palettes, pretty similar color story, because I have some huge giveaways coming up. So if you see me looking down, it's because my notes are right here. They don't really send you a card with prices or anything like that on the plus size. They do on the glam size one, but not the plus. So the first one is from Fenty Beauty. It is their Stunna Lip Paint in Unlocked. Yes. 1 stroke intensity, long wear matte finish, unrivaled precision wand. Give it to me quick, a weightless long wear liquid lipstick with a soft matte finish, born in a range of head turning shades, and it looks irresistible on all skin tones. Rihanna created a range of 9 head turning high impact shades that look incredible on everyone. The long lasting matte pigment is weightless. You might even forget you're wearing it. Lip defining precision wand makes it easier than ever to fill your pout in 1 stroke. Stunning lip paint has no immediate feathering, staying kissably smooth. Said one of these items we're giving away to one of you. That's a very, very pretty shade. Does retail for $25. So we do have a new product from Chilla. It is the Divine Purpose eyeshadow palette. It is a limited edition palette. Embrace your inner goddess. Retails for $35. Hello, beautiful. You're nothing short of a goddess in training. Always authentic and ever evolving, truly mindful in pure intentions, and passionate about what makes your soul sing. The Divine Purpose eyeshadow palette inspires you to unleash your inner goddess for all to see with 8 long-wearing matte and pearl shades. The vibrant pops of color will honor your divine purpose, making this journey the most fulfilling yet. Blendably smooth and highly pigmented, these stunning shadows inspire captivating eye looks fit only for the goddess in you. Set off your path for divine purpose. Looks like this. And then here's what the inside looks like. So pretty. Like I said, I've got some big giveaways going on. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to save this, I think, for one of those upcoming videos. Il Maquillage is a black card waterproof liquid eyeliner. Retails for $21. Whether you want a dramatic cat eye or a subtle flick, this liquid liner has got you covered. It's made with intense jet black pigments that glide on smoothly and last for hours. Yep, even when you're hanging out by the pool. And here's what the packaging on this one looks like. From Tula Skincare is the Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Retails for $30. Talk about a multitasker. This 4-in-1 eye balm instantly cools, brightens, hydrates, and minimizes the line of fine lines and wrinkles thanks to probiotics, caffeine, and a plant-based oil. Yes, please to all of those. Looks like this. I am allergic to caffeine, so I'm going to pass this one on to a friend who I know loves Tula products. You know what this summer is? It's a time for reunions. It's a time, if you're fully vaccinated, you can go and see your family and you can hang out with them. And so, secret word is reunion. The last item is from Beauty For Real. It is the Golden Hour Mango Butter Eyeshadow Palette. It does retail for $36. From velvety mattes to shimmering metallics and creamy toppers, this set of 8 versatile shades, they're inspired by the sun rays during golden hour. It can be mixed and matched to create an array of illuminating eye looks. You guys, this is so pretty, stunning. I might be keeping this one for myself. It is just... So it's got this blue is a shimmer, this is a shimmer, this is a shimmer. This is kind of a foil, and it's kind of more pinky than it's showing up. And then this one here is a shimmer. So your 3 mattes are the kind of browns. This one, and this one. This is really pretty. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. I'm going to have to think about it because I really like this one. But at the same time, I've got those big giveaways coming up too. So what you guys think? I thought it was a pretty good. Yeah, I really liked it. Let's give away, I don't use a ton of eyeliners because I have such hooded eyes. So let's give away that Il Maquillage liner to one of you. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Sorry, my dogs are barking in the background. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name and then also that secret word. Do not put that secret word in the comment section down below. You can get bonus entries, but don't fill out the entry form more than once. I'll take care of it for you. You just mark on it if you did do the bonus entries, and make sure to only mark it if you did actually do them, because I do check. So how you get bonus entries: 1, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyama, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Follow me on Twitter. It's that same beautyama B, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. So there's 3 different ways to get more entries. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. Let's have this giveaway go through August 6th. Midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on August 11th, my wedding anniversary, we'll do that spin the wheel where I'll put in the person's first name, first initial of their last name, and then if they have bonus entries, I'll put that into the computer. The computer picks it. I don't have anything to do with it. I just, obviously check that everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing. As soon as the giveaway is over and I've mailed out the person's prize, then I delete those forms. Nobody else has access to it. I don't sell that information. Your privacy is very important to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a laid-back, fun group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. If you are watching this on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those, because I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which I try to do from each of my unboxings. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye.